Whoa, what is that?
Caterpillar life cycle. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, we found something at the front door, and today we're opening it, and let's see what's inside. This is gonna be so fun, right?
Right, what could be at the front door? We have a package.
I got mine. Let's open it. Open inside.
All right, let's see what came in here. This is a
Just
butterfly.
to let you know, you put the caterpillars upside down.
All right, so this is what? A butterfly garden. All right, so let's see what came in our butterfly kit. So these are little caterpillars. And can you tell us about the caterpillars?
Okay, if you look closely, you see their little tiny eyes and heads.
Wow.
They move their head first to the left, to the front, and then they pull their legs to the front. The seeds, we have these seeds.
So these are, let's see what these are. Honeybee wildflower seed mix. So this is what we're going to use. We actually don't know what we're going to use this for yet, but we'll figure it out.
Yep.
So what else do we
but
have?
we're not at that stage yet.
Yeah.
So we're just at our, that's what our stage is. This is our stage. Okay.
And so
the
you guys.
next stage, beautiful living butterfly. And did you know, fun fact about butterfly is when it's cold in Georgia, they fly to Mexico.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right. Why do they like warm weather?
Because they like when it's cold. And did you know when you can't hold a butterfly by the wings, you use a butterfly net because pollen, the color spreads off their wings.
Wow, that's a really good fact. Man, you're so smart. All right, and what's this cool net right here? What's that for?
Let's open it up and see.
Look at that, a butterfly net. All right, and so our butterflies are gonna grow.
It goes in here.
Yep, awesome. So our caterpillars are going to grow and morph into butterflies, and you guys have to come back every episode to see and watch them grow, to see how long it takes for them to grow. So
yeah, you can walk in the morning or in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Or even right now.
So this is what they look like now, and eventually they're gonna form into yes, this
because they're
a
caterpillar
cocoon.
now. But if you want me to show the whole life cycle, I need to get out one more thing.
So step by step. So first the egg. Show us the egg. That's what a butterfly is first.
Very little fun fact.
Yeah.
There can be most of there doesn't have to be one egg on that leaf. There can be many eggs.
Yeah.
That can be 100, 20, 25, or 1.
Yes, good job. And so after they turn into a caterpillar, what do they turn into after the caterpillar? Show us what's next. The chrysalis, also known as a cocoon. Good job. And then after they are a chrysalis, what do they turn into? A beautiful butterfly. Good job. So the life cycle of a butterfly is 4 stages.
And did you know they use their pattern on the wings to scare away predators?
Awesome fact. Wow, I didn't know that. That is a pretty cool fact. So tell us why the caterpillars have this stuff at the bottom. What's all that stuff in their dish, in these containers?
That is their poop with the soup and there's their food to eat.
Yes, so inside these containers, the caterpillars have all the food that they'll need for their entire life cycle. So when they're ready to turn into a chrysalis, they'll move to the top of the container and form their chrysalis.
Yeah, and then we put it in the top and right here. But Daddy's gonna help us do that.
We could probably decorate our containers with those stickers.
We're opening it up. I'm almost done, guys, so be patient. I'm able to be patient when we're doing the video.
Patience is a virtue. Always good to have patience. And we'll definitely have to have patience to watch these little guys grow, right?
Yep.
Because it can take a week or 2 for them to grow into butterflies.
Okay, we got these stickers.
Should we decorate the sides of the container? Let's do it.
Okay, you think we should decorate this or this? Okay, got this little sticker sign. These in that.
Whoa, look at that guy. He's crawling. He's found his way up top. So once the caterpillars are ready to become the chrysalis, they hang just like this guy. And so he'll form his cocoon or his chrysalis
do this
around
shape.
him.
You do this shape.
What shape do they do?
This shape.
Perfect. Good.
And then you tell this is their head because this is moved one, and you can tell they're still curved
Yeah.
like this.
Let's take a look and see what the chrysalis is gonna look like.
This and it curves because it's gonna curve like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I want this one.
Okay.
This one is so pretty.
Well-
You want that one?
Yeah, they're like 3D stickers. See how they're coming off the page?
Yeah.
Okay, you take them off for us, and we'll put them up there. You have to take, the back part off. They're pretty hard to come off. All right, we got a sticker off, so let's decorate our
Yeah, top.
nice stickers. Yep, which one is that?
This little baby one.
Yeah, let's do it. I like the baby sticker.
Which one? Which one?
That guy.
I this one.
Yeah, we'll do this one right here.
That one looks more pretty.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do the one right here? That one looks pretty.
Yes.
I want this up.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's pretty.
Nice.
We got 3. We got it.
Okay, good job.
Just to let you know. Look at now.
Uh-oh, looks like little brother's trying to take it. All right, make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's episode to see how big our caterpillars have gotten and see if they've grown any.
They grow every day. That's what my caterpillars used to do.
They're gonna grow every day. You're right. Wow, look at that little
They
guy.
get this long. They get this long. Look.
Mm-hmm.
They stretch out. You guys will have another episode to see what the caterpillars are up to. Thanks for watching Sage Outside. Like and subscribe. Bye.